In this video, you will learn what is herpes.
This video is not like every other video that you see on YouTube concerning the keyword on what is the herpes simplex virus and lecture. I'm going to show you a very detailed method about this virus on a lecture in this tutorial, so that by the end of the video, you will have your own treatment or cure on the herpes virus permanently eliminate from your body. A female scientist released a protocol that you can cure your herpes simplex virus HSV at home to avoid, reduce, and possibly eliminate the effect of the herpes virus. If you have the herpes simplex virus, you may have been skeptical when you saw this article on how to permanently erase the virus. So far, all you've heard is that there is no cure for herpes. Keep an open mind and read on before making any determination on the validity of the system. If you have herpes, you have had to deal with the feeling of being humiliated by having sores on your face, nose, mouth, or genitals. You have had to deal with the itching, burning, and very painful blisters. Possibly the worst is the fear that you could transmit this disease to another person. Rather than having to deal with most of these problems, following the HSV eraser program could end your battle with herpes. The program takes less than 2 to 3 weeks to complete. It works for both HSV1 and HSV2, and as more than 25,000 men and women have already discovered, this natural treatment can completely destroy any trace of the herpes virus.
There are almost 2 types of herpes, HSV1 and HSV2.
There are assumptions in society that the cause of cold sores is HSV1, the good herpes virus, and HSV2 is the bad herpes virus, as it is associated with genital herpes. Both types are transmitted through contact with the mucous areas of the body, i.e., the mouth and genitals, and then establish latency in the nervous system. About 65% of people infected with herpes do not have symptoms or symptoms so mild that they do not even notice them. Even without obvious symptoms, outbreaks can recur, and the infection can spread. As you are infected with herpes, the virus infiltrates your body and hides. Some people do not have an initial flare, and others do not have any symptoms. This makes HSV different from other infections because symptoms such as fever occur with other viruses that our immune system can recognize as infection, and this helps our body try to fight the infection. In the case of HSV, the body is not notified, and as such is not equipped to fight it off. Because the HSV virus is hidden in the cells of your body by a protein called ICP47, current medications cannot find the virus to fight it, and therefore simply suppress it. Dr. Christine Bueller, she is a clinical researcher at one of the top-rated medical schools in the United States, contracted HSV1 and HSV2 herself. She found that herpes medications relieve and mask symptoms, but do not cure herpes. To learn about the disease and seek advice on how to deal with her own health problem, she consulted with her former teacher and mentor, Dr. Ken Langwin, an expert in human pathology and a licensed researcher in transmitted diseases. Dr. Bueller could not accept that until now no one had investigated the possibility of unmasking the virus, so that the body's immune system could concentrate and destroy the virus later. Following her consultation with Dr. Langwin and her extensive research, created this program. The HSV eraser program shows you how to allow the body to unmask ICP47 proteins from infected cells in your body, so that the herpes virus is no longer hidden from the immune system. By introducing a particular mixture of organic chemicals, ICP47 proteins can be shed from nerve cells. Now that the herpes virus is exposed, the immune system must be strong enough to fight the virus. The program incorporates a distinctive regimen of supplements, minerals and vitamins that, when taken at the exact right time and in the exact right amount, give the immune system what it needs to fight with herpes. In conclusion, this is a complete program that shows you everything you need to fight the herpes virus. It's all natural, there are no side effects, you will see results in less than a month, the cost is in line with your weekly food budget, and best of all, they are all available at your grocery or health food store. To deal with sore, burning, itchy herpes blisters makes life miserable. There are solutions on the market that, although they do not cure, will reduce or eliminate the symptoms of herpes. The problem is that most herpes medications are full of chemicals that cause horrible side effects. You are already miserable about the outbreak, there is no reason to force yourself to deal with more misery. Herpesit was created as an all-natural herpes medicine. This homeopathic solution is easy to take and will quickly eliminate symptoms and allow you to enjoy your life again. Herpesit is made with carefully selected all-natural ingredients that have been shown to relieve and eliminate the signs of herpes. Taking this drug is simple, all you need to do is spray the solution under your tongue 3 times a day and let Herpesit do the work. That is the secret of Herpesit. By praying under your tongue, Herpesit completely bypasses your digestive system, progresses rapidly through the bloodstream, and attacks genital herpes sores at their source. The 9 ingredients in Herpesit are intended to alleviate all the symptoms of the herpes simplex virus. With natural herbs like rust tox to reduce itching and inflammation, while bell pepper relieves pain and pyrogen speed up the healing process. Herpesit is a powerful blend, and due to its all-natural ingredients, it doesn't cause any side effects. Herpesit is an excellent and affordable solution to alleviate the herpes outbreak. They are so confident that the product will work for you that you can return your order within 90 days for a full refund. If you are tired of dealing with the painful herpes outbreak and don't want to ingest tons of chemicals, Herpesit is a great alternative for you. You know more about this treatment method, click the link in our description in the below. If you are interested in health and fitness growth on online, YouTube getting tips, so if that interests you, please click the subscribe button.